discoveries and premonitions. This perfect state of mind to me is type suspicious, but I'm flying with my music. We mix it in with lucid dreams. Now noise got that stupid heat. Wealth, weed, women, I can't help me living, smoking fire, melt me with it. Yeah, it seems real. Wide awake, dream, feel my realistic fantasies, my idealistic vanity. Found a perfect balance, so I work this talent. Murking challenge, smoking trees, so we earth the planet. Back the fuck up, back the fuck up, back the fuck up. Bitch, no, not now. Back the fuck up, back the fuck up, back the fuck up. Bitch, no, not now. So I wake up early, I face blunts, yeah, surely, yeah, I hate to hurry. I'm sauced up making curry, bad bitch straight or curly, had to bag it, did it early, starting out with cotton mouth, hitting me up, calling me down, stop now, or you blocked out, sorry bitch, you locked out, you saying a whole lot now, every and all my rap sessions already got all my cash stretching, I went from the last attention to getting all this mass attention. Back the fuck up, back the fuck up, back the fuck up, bitch, no, not now. Back the fuck up, back the fuck up, back the fuck up, bitch, no, not now. Break it down, safe and sound, this your shit, so play it loud, famous bound, break it down, this your bitch, she saying now, play it loud, how you gon' hate me now, break it down, safe and sound, this your shit, so play it loud, famous bound, break it down, this your bitch, this your bitch, this your bitch, back the fuck up, back the fuck up, back the fuck up, bitch, no, not now, back the fuck up, back the fuck up, back the fuck up, bitch, no, not now, back the fuck up, back the fuck up, back the fuck up, bitch, no, not now, back the fuck up, back the fuck up, back the fuck up, bitch, no, not now, back the fuck up, back the fuck up, back the fuck up, bitch, no, not now, back the fuck up, back the fuck up, back the fuck up, bitch, no, not now. Money dough brings bad bitches, ugly hoes, been catfishing. They asking how I got this check, cause I'm rapping so exotic, fresh. Money banned, so I'm copping shit. Shorty said I hope I'm one of your options, kid. I was like, who is you? She was like, I do this, boo. Didn't take long for her to switch sides like a Rubik's Cube. So it's minimized patience for any time wasting any of that slide bass shit. I need to hit all 5 bases, hit a home run with shorty, even brought a side replacement. Got a savage out the way I manage now. Paint noisy stripes cause my canvas loud. Fans love it, so they my family now. You ain't even got fans, you got anti-clout. That's why I got your girl with her panties out. Bubblegum kush blowing out a candy cloud. I told her don't get antsy now. Your boyfriend's still gonna use it after me like a hand-me-down. Yeah, homie, you understand me now? Don't step into the war zone if you ain't gon' man it down. Watch your manners now. Kid Noise running shit cause that's how he planned it out. Yeah.